I just found this star, and it doesn't even have all its points, but it gave me an idea. And I found one of these I made a couple years ago out of a cereal box, and I'm going to use it for my template, and I'm going to cut out a few stars to put on this, because on banners, well, for me, bunting, banners, whatever, I like layering. It's just, I love to layer. But look at all this. So it's too hard for you to see everything if I have it all out. So I'm going to do each one individually. It'll be much easier for you to see. So as soon as I get this cleared off, I'll be back. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and I put glue on these, and I'm just going to hit it with this. Just a little bit. Okay. hat. That's all I'm going to do. And this little part of her sleeve. That's it on that. And again, I don't know that you're going to be able to see it that well. You can see it in person and when the light hits it, but it's a little bit harder, I think, on camera. Okay, so we got her glittered. Look how pretty that is. I think you can see it. Woo! Jeez. Let me put the lid on this. Okay, put her about here. Okay. Okay, we got 2 done. 2 more to go. Okay, last one. Glittered him up where I wanted it. You're done. Okay. Then I'll put the burlap. After I'm done here, I'll weave the jute string into the holes. Then I'm going to tie some navy blue ribbon. I think he's so cute. Okay. Done. I am done. Now we will just go ahead and I'll take my jute. I'm going to have to be on a bigger surface, but I'm going to weave that through these 3 holes, okay, on all of them. And then tie a knot so they don't come together, and I'll get some ribbon, but I'll bring you down when I'm putting the ribbon on. Okay. I'm down in the kitchen because I can then move these down. And this is how I'm going to put them. And now I'm going to take my jute and run it through the 3 holes. Then take some of this. Okay. So I strung the jute through, and I tried to get it about as even as I could as far as in between. And then I'm going to glue on 2 pieces at the end so I can tie them. Okay? And then we'll start putting the ribbon on. Okay, guys, here is the banner on my fireplace. Look how cute that looks. And I just put a little bit of ribbon. I tied it into bows into the corner, and it helped secure the jute. It turned out really cute. I'm very happy with it. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.